So guys, I want this yellow dress. What do you guys think? Let me move away from the, oh sorry AJ. So this is yellow. I just want to show this to mine. So guys, we're done. I picked the yellow dress and we're inside the mall now. Oh, I honestly don't like this mask. You're not going?
Yeah. Here, please.
Okay.
And
Yes, it's getting it.
here. See the color too, right?
Yes, color.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, I do YouTube videos.
Yeah, very nice.
Can I put my foot in?
What is it?
Yes, it's good.
And I
Okay. Okay, good. Now you're happy.
Yeah.
You're
They
not,
get this down.
you're
Instead
not,
of walking.
you're not patient at all. I said you've not been patient.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. I build a fire inside the walls of your heart. A warm desire, heading for a new start. There ain't no excuses to keep from falling in love, and I can never get enough. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. When I hold your hand, look into your eyes, I start to realize the power that you have. So many things to say, but no words to explain. Another time and place would ease away the pain. I love you from a beating heart. Yeah, I love you from a beating heart. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, we're back home and look at my nails. I did ombre. I just remembered, I don't know if I captured that. I don't know if I showed you guys while I was there at the salon, and I felt I should show you guys. It's ombre and I used lemon at the tip, but it's almost looking like yellow here. I like it, I love it, and I'm actually trying out the dress I got from Old Navy. Then I felt, okay, let me just show you guys what it looks like. So I decided to go put on my wig so that it's gonna look cheeky, and also I'll be showing you what I got during the week as well. So guys, this is a dress I got from Old Navy, the one I just picked when I went out right now. And I got this because my daughter and my son have something similar. So that's why I actually went to Old Navy. And because I bought something last week, so I had $10 coupon. So I used the coupon. I didn't think the dress is $54.99. I think it's a bit pricey, and I know because I'm buying it right now. So, but it's fine. But since I wanted it, and that's why I'm picking it. So what do you guys think? It's long, and I never knew it had pockets. I just realized it had pocket now. And this, I really like it because I love dresses that have pockets, because I'm very much comfortable when wearing something that has pockets. So I love it. It's just something simple, and at least I can twin with my kids. I love it. You guys should let me know what you think about the dress. I just want to show you guys nothing serious, and I feel it's making me look as if I'm pregnant. Yeah, it's making me look as if I'm pregnant. Okay, guys, that's it. Let me change to the next one. I don't have so much, but let me change to the next one. This is another top I bought. So I got this from Winners. Like I said, I went shopping for tops. I just needed a few tops last week, and I went to H&M. I didn't say anything, guys. I was disappointed. I picked a few things, but at the point of payment, I was like, no, not that I really like this top. I just picked them out of nothing. Then I tried to just go to Winners, and I saw a few tops. Even at Winners, it was hard. Most of the tops were mostly casuals. Like, I didn't really see what I wanted, but it was still better than H&M. At least I was able to pick a few tops there. And I tried to pair it with this jeans. This is one of the jeans I got from Boo. I never tried those on. Maybe I should even do the try on of the clothes I bought from Boo. And now I realize that because I never tried it on and I've never worn it, it's almost looking as if this place is wide. I don't know if you guys can see it. This place is wide. It's not so fitted like that, and it's high waist jeans, but it's over how many months now, so I don't think I can return it. I'm just gonna manage it. So I'm paying with that jeans since I didn't buy any bottom, and I like the top. I think I like it because it's colorful and it's off shoulder. Sorry, what am I saying? And it's short sleeve, so something for office actually. So that's it. I didn't even button it up there, but it's simple. I just wanted you guys to see it, and that's it. And guys, I like this one. This is like it like tie and dye kind of material. There's a belt here. I just tightened it. I can loosen it up to make it look like a free top, or tighten it up to give me that nice shape. So I think I like it this way. It's nice, easy, simple, and I don't know. If I want to make it look so serious, probably I'll pair it with jewelry and all of that. But for me, I was just looking for tops for office, so I think this is okay for me. So guys, this is another top. It's simple top, white and black pattern. It's very simple and I like it. Like, this is what I'm gonna wear on Monday. I really like it. It's simple but elegant. Guys, it was difficult for me to pick all these dresses, like all these tops. It was very difficult for me to make choices, to make my choice, because most of it were just looking too casual. But I like this one, simple, and that's it. And guys, I got this black top from Old Navy as well, alongside with the one I wore earlier this morning. Something casual, knock about in the house, or just running an errand, not something serious. It actually matches this black, like I can pair it with this, or maybe a pair of blue jean or anything, but I like it. Something simple. And let me change to the last one. So guys, this is the one I got from H&M and I really love it. It's simple and short, and it's kind of open here, so I think I might have to wear like an inner top. If not, all my undies will be showing. But I like it simple. But this is the only thing I could pick from H&M today, guys. I was actually attracted to the white, but I was like, no, with this material, no, no white. Then orange. I was turning to the orange because I just recently got an orange slippers. So I'm like, orange and orange. Okay, let me just go for a neutral color, something that probably I can match it with the orange slippers. So, and that's why I ended up picking this one. I didn't want to go for black. I have a lot of black things already. And guys, this is the last one.